Thomas is a really useful engine. He's going on a special trip to the circus. Kitties, say meow, 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 meow. There's the balls. Oh, okay. Thomas sees James the red engine. What is in James's freight cars? What's in this one? A bird. We always wave at birds, don't we? The vegetables, and there's the horses. Thomas passes by a farm. What is on the road? There's the children going to school, and the sheep, and the squirrel, and there's the mouse. Thomas is up high on a bridge. What is in the sky? A balloon. What's back there? Oh, another bird. Yeah, we always wave at birds, don't we? And a helicopter goes whoosh, 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 whoosh. Thomas tugs along the seaside. What is in the water? Another bird. There's a dolphin. And there's the little girl on the inner tube. Hooray! Thomas has arrived at the circus. What's that, the lion? What does the lion say? Roar! Roar! There's the tightrope walker. There's the elephant. And there's the monkeys. They hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. That was a good book, wasn't it? Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay.